Here's a joke for you. What's a computer's favorite beat? An algorithm.
Before we go ahead with the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the bell icon so you know when we have a new video. The Google Home range of smart speakers have finally launched in India, and today we have the Google Home speaker with us. So can it compete with Amazon's Alexa speakers, which have been dominant in the market so far? We'll run a few tests to find out, but before that, here's what you get in the box. Before we try out all the voice commands, let's talk about the speaker specs. The Google Home speaker has a 2-inch driver along with a 2-inch passive radiator that produces stereo audio that's loud enough to fill a room. The speaker also supports far-field voice recognition, so you can use them completely with voice commands. Additionally, there's support for Bluetooth connectivity, and you can also use them to control your TV's Chromecast as well. Setting up the speakers is pretty straightforward. You just need the Google Home app on your Android or iOS device, from where you can just follow the steps to get the speaker connected to your Wi-Fi and your Google profile. We'll try out some voice commands on the Google Home just to get an idea of how well it responds to the Indian accent and local requests. So here it goes. Hey Google, play some Bollywood hits.
Okay, here's a Google Play music station called Bollywood Popular Hits.
Pilade, 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 divani mein hu jiski. I'm a bad girl, I like whiskey. Pilade, divani mein hu jiski.
Hey Google,
I'm a bad girl.
What's the latest IPL score?
Bangalore lost to Kolkata Knight Riders by 4 wickets. Bangalore scored 176 for 7 in 20 overs, and Kolkata Knight Riders scored 177 for 6 in 18.5 overs. For other matters, try asking about a particular team.
Tell me a joke.
Sure, here's a joke for you. What's a computer's favorite beat? An algorithm.
Translate "आप कैसे हैं" from Hindi to English.
How are you doing?
What's the current US dollar price in India?
One United States dollar is approximately 64 Indian rupees and 96 paise.
How's the traffic near Select City Walk right now?
There's heavy traffic near Select City Walk.
How far is Taj Mahal from my current location?
You are 215 kilometers away from Taj Mahal by car.
What Hindi movies are currently playing in theaters?
Here are the movies playing near New Delhi.
What movies? Book a cab for me.
Sorry, I can't help with that yet.
Book an Uber for me.
I'm afraid Uber isn't supported in this region.
What's the closest metro station from here?
Herkesh Nagar Okhla is in Okhla Phase 2, Okhla Industrial Area in New Delhi, and is 750 meters away.
As you can see, Google does handle basic requests pretty well. We'll be putting it through a lot more comprehensive tests in our final review, so be sure to check that out soon.